Hi everyone, I am Tanujra and welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with Tanu. So in this video, I am gonna show you how to send an email in a proper way. I am getting lot of emails, but most of the people are doing this kind of mistakes. They are not really aware what you have to write and where you have to write what. Most of the people literally confused about what is the subject, what is the composed email, and they are literally not aware and they are doing this kind of mistake. So in this video I'll show you each and everything about the email, how you have to send an email in a proper way. Okay, so I'm just giving a brief overview about this email. Why we are using this email, why we are sending email to others. We have lot of other application where you can convey your messages and convey your thoughts to other person. So we have other application like WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook. So here you can chat with your friends and family, but it's a informal application and we are not gonna use this in a professional way, right? So we are using email for sending or conveying our messages to other person in a professional way, or I can say it's a formal way to send or to convey your messages, right? So we have some other application for sending an email like Gmail, Outlook, and so many other application as well. So in this video I'll show you how you have to send an email using Gmail. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so before sending an email you should have your Gmail account, right? If you don't have account, so you can create your account like Gmail account create, something like that. You have to put all your information and you can create your account like first name, last name, and then you have to do the next and you have to fill all the process and you can create your Gmail account. Okay, so I have already my Gmail account, so I'm just going to log in into the Gmail. So Gmail login, right? So this is the email Gmail. Okay, so I have logged in into many times, so it is directly landing into this page. So this is our Gmail. So how you have to send an email? Firstly, go to the compose. Okay, so now you have to understand what you have to write into, what you have to write in subject, what are the CC and BCC and so many things. I'm just telling you each and everything one by one. So okay, so firstly you have to, if you wanna send a new email, then you have to go to compose. Then you will come into this page. Now to. So to means to whom you want to send an email. Okay. So here you have to put the recipient email ID, like whatever the email ID. For example, I want to send an email to this recipient, right? So you can write it down their email ID here, so you can see like this. Okay, so I'm just sending this email to this user, this recipient. So I just write it down their email ID. You can send the email to more than one user at the same time. So you can just like for example, I want to send this email to myself as well, so I can put my email ID as well. Okay, so you can do this thing. So firstly in two you have to use the Gmail ID of the recipient. Okay, now the second thing is that, okay, what is CC and BCC? So I'm just showing you. CC is basically means carbon copy. For example, you want to send this email to other recipient as well, more than one or two. For example, you want to send the copy of this email to other recipient as well, so you can write their mail ID. Okay. For example, you want to send this copy of this email to other person as well, so you can write it down like for example, I want to send this copy of this email to myself, so you can put it here. And for example, some other users, so you can put their mail ID as well. Okay, so CC means carbon copy. I want to send this copy of email to two other person. uh, this one. Okay, we have the option of BCC. So what is the BCC means? So it is basically means blind carbon copy. So what is the difference between CC and BCC? Here also you can use some email IDs to whom you want to send this copy of this email, right? But what is the main difference between these two? For example, I have sent this email to Jyoti. So if if she wants, she can see the email ID of the CC person. Like I have sent this copy to Tanuja and Jyoti Mandal. Okay, so you can see this email ID in CC. But if you are using any email ID in BCC section, so no one recipient cannot see whom I have sent this email. Okay, whatever the email ID you are using in BCC, so recipient cannot see to whom you have sent this email, right? But in CC you can see the email ID of other recipient as well. I just want to send this email to Jyoti. Okay, so next thing is that what is subject? So subject is basically what exactly you are emailing for. So my subject is basically, for example, I want to send this email for English conversation. So I can just write it down like English conversation, something like that. Or if, for example, I want to send this email to broadband help desk. So you can write it like broadband issue. So this refers to subject. Like why are you sending this email? So it can be anything like English practice, something like that. Okay, so now we have this body of the email. Now you have to write it down each and everything. Here you can write it all the description of your email. So firstly we will start with the salutation. So you can start like hi Jyoti. So it would be good if you will use the name of the person like hi Jyoti, or you can write it down like dear Jyoti, or you can also use sir or ma'am as well, ma'am or sir, whatever. Now you can start your email like this phrases like hope you are doing well, something like that. Now you can compose your email like why are you writing this mail? I am just regarding something like that. You can write it down. I'm not writing it all the email. So you can write it all the description of your email. Now closing. So how you can close like thanks, thanks and regards, then your name. Or you can write it down some other things like kind regards, best regards, something. Okay. So this should be the proper way. Like first you have to write. Firstly you have to write subject. Then you have to write the body of the email. Then you can close it like in this way. Okay. And for testing purpose, I'm just sending this email for testing purpose. And now you can click here so your mail will be sent. For example, you want to send a copy of some image, or if you want to send a PDF, something like that. So what you can do, you can go to this attach file, whatever the file you wanna attach. So you can click it. For example, I want to attach this PDF, so I will click here and then open. Okay, so now this file has been attached and you can send it. And if you don't want to send, then you can remove your attachment, right? And then you can send it. So you can check your email that it has been sent or not. So where you can check, here we have so many options. So you can go to send. Okay, so this email has been sent to Jyoti. Okay, so you can check it here. Or for example, you are writing any of the email and you don't want to send it now. For example, I want to send this email, but I don't want to send it now, so I can just close it and you can check this email in your draft. See, so you can draft your email when you have time, and if you don't want to send it now, you can send it anytime. So just open it from the draft and then you can edit if you want, and then you can send it like this. And the inbox I can see, yeah. So I have sent this email to myself, so I can see it here, right? I think you have understood how we have to use this Gmail and how you have to send the email. Okay, so you have to put the subject and then you have to put the body of the email, then you can send it, right? And yeah, I'm just showing you that how the people are doing the mistake. For example, in this email, there is no subject. Okay, so people are sending like this. They are using each and everything in a subject only. I hope you understood this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much guys. If you have any query related to email, because you don't have to send this email. Whatever the query you have, you can ask to me in the comment section related to this email. And you don't have to message only to me or have to send email to me. There are so many situations where you have to send an email, so definitely you should be aware how to send an email. If you have any queries, so definitely you can ask. And thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.